Yes guys, what's good? Welcome back to my video guys. As you can see guys, right now it's about time to kill XAUSD, which is gold France. So I'm about to take this trade guys. The reason why I'm about to take this trade is that, let me show you. Guys, I like to show you guys everything. All right, as you can see here guys, we had a blackout right here. We had this blackout right there, and we got pulled back to the zone right here. This was the pullback. So as you can see that the market is on uptrend. Of course, I have different ways of trading gold guys. So right now, what I'm expecting from now on is to move this way. All right, it's time to move on uptrend. So since we got this kind of setup right now, I'm just gonna jump in. I already sent a signal to my VIP team. If you wanna be part of my VIP group members, you can send me a DM on Telegram and send me a DM like, yo Juba, I wanna join your VIP group. Then we're gonna start winning together. You feel me? So I'm taking my trades right now. I'm taking my trades. Right, done. So my take profit in this case is just gonna be 1 to 2. My stop loss is just gonna be somewhere here. This number 26.16. Right, that's gonna be my stop loss. 26.16. 26.16. Yes, that one. 26.16, which is this one here. It's my stop loss right there. All right, that's my stop loss. So guys, I'll see you soon guys. I'll see you soon. Let's wait and see what the market got for us today. Yes gang, as you can see guys, we're coming guys. What did I say to you guys? Time to make some money. So as we speak guys, look at this. I'm already in a profit of $40. You feel what I'm saying? And you can see the main reason that that made me to enter the trade. Look at this. This is the reason why I entered the trade. Blackout from this point here, blackout, zone blackout, and zone pullback. Zone blackout. Look at this, zone blackout, and sorry, I want to repeat this again. Zone blackout and pullback to the zone. Boom, I entered. So yeah, man, that's the reason why I took the trade, guys. Let's keep waiting, guys. Let's keep waiting. And now we'll see how far this trade will take us to, you feel me? And the other thing, guys, is every single minute, you feel me? Every single minute you're cheating, you feel me? Just find your favorite pair, which you're going to be focusing on. You feel me? Say, do this one thing, okay? Go, like, look at the past of the pair, all right? Look at the past of the pair. Take a look how the pair is been moving. Feel me? So let me show you the reason why the strategy works so amazing. You feel me? Look at this point. Okay? If you look at this point right here, you can see that after the blackout, you feel me? Let me show you this one thing. You can see that we had some breakout right here. Breakout. Boom, all the way to this point, and now you can see that we had pullback. From you can see the pullback, and after the pullback, Come on, guys. Come on, guys. How many times am I going to teach you things? You feel me? After the pullback, you can see that continuation. Look, you see, the market has never, ever come back again to the zone. If you do this every single time you take a trade, you're going to make money. You're going to make money no matter what. All you need is just to repeat the same thing over and over. As soon as you find this kind of market, you get in. Don't be scared. Get in. All right? Some markets is going to take you out, but many of them, they're going to respect your strategy. Feel me? It's all about consistency. You feel me? And not give up. Because when you give up, that's why you're going to fail. So, let's wait. Let me delete everything. I hope you get the point. Right? Let's keep waiting, guys. Let's keep waiting. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. I'll be back, guys. I'll be back in a minute. Phone. Yes, gang. We finally killed it, guys. As you can see, your boy here, guys. We finally killed it. The trade. As you can see, guys. Same reason why. You feel me? Same reason why I took the trade. You feel me? Look at this. Look at the details, guys. Look at everything. You feel me? Your boy here. I'm teaching you how to make this money. Easy, boy. Feel me? So yeah, man, that's how it is. VIP group, we're killing the market. VIP group, we're making money as we speak. You feel what I'm saying? We making money, guys. I'm not gonna lie. They are making money, same as I'm making money right now. You feel me? It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. You feel me? It's crazy, guys. Look at this, guys. Everything is getting killed. Of course, we do this every day. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, I'm actually gonna take my profit. You feel what I'm saying? Because you can see my take profit has been hit. You feel me? My take profit has been hit. So right now, what I'm gonna do, I just gonna take my profit as we speak. I'm gonna take my profit, guys. Just gonna take my profit. I'm waiting for the market to hit here, and then boom, boom, boom. Wow, this is crazy. Let me shift the stop loss. Let me shift the stop loss to this part right here. 26.22 from 26.22. 26.22. 22. All right, cool. So I already shift the stop loss, guys. As you can see here, I already shift the stop loss. Now it's time to hold the market. Boom! You know the gold, guys. You know the vibe about gold. Gold doesn't play. You feel me? Gold doesn't play, guys. It's a quick money. Francais. Peace out. Make sure you join the VIP group. Let's make this man together, man. Peace out. Yo, guys, I want to take my profit, yeah? I want to take my profit from gold because I see it's having some pullback, and I don't want all this pullback, man, to find me inside the market. Let me just take my profit first, and after the pullback done, I'll come back in the market. You feel me? Boom. So let me show you guys the reason why I'm taking the profit. As you know, guys, this is why I entered the trade right here. This is why I entered the trade. You feel me? And I see it seems like the market's about to have a very big pullback, which means the market might pull back all the way to this candlestick right here. It might pull back the whole candlestick to this point. And I don't want to lose all this profit which I already make. So let me first get out, and as soon as the market get done with the pullback, then I'll come back in the market. Easy like that. Just make sure you keep your profit safe. Always keep protecting your profit, because making money doesn't end. We make money every day, you feel me? And we don't want to give back what we took from the market. We don't want the market to take it back from us, you feel me? Sure. So yeah, man, after the pullback, I'll come back in. It's like that. Make sure you join the FICTIME group, join the VIP group. Let's make this man together, guys. If you like this free knowledge, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Peace out.